Today I will show you how to use the waypoints in DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Not only DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, you can use this in any DJI drones, provided that it has the waypoint feature. Almost all the DJI drones have this feature, but I'm showing this on DJI Mini 4 Pro. So who should use this waypoint feature? Why it is useful? The reason why it is useful, because let's assume that you are a civil engineer. You are doing the daily survey of your civil engineering site. It's a very big apartment and you have to do the site inspection every day. So you can just automate it, create the waypoints and do the survey. If you have to control it manually every time, then it's kind of a tedious task, right? Every day you have to maneuver the drone, land it. It's all a big headache. But if you create the waypoints, it will automatically launch, do all the survey for you, and it will land automatically. Then you can see the footage and see the development of your site. Or if you're a farmer, if you have a very big farm and if you want to see what's going on in every corner, you can put the waypoints wherever it is necessary and then do the inspection of your farm. Or if you have the residential plot, right, the same goes for that also. So for these people, the waypoints feature is necessary. It's very useful feature. Today I'll show you how to use it. So you will you can use this on your own drone. So in order to start the waypoint feature, you have to tap on this button which is on the left side of the screen in the arrow mark I'm showing. So if there's a square plot like I have here, you just have to add that plus button. So it will take the photograph of that and it will make a note of the coordinates, longitude and latitudes, right? So let's assume that you have a square plot and now I'm in the second location. Now I have to take another picture. So it goes on for every point. If you are covering for your apartment, your farm, or any of your buildings, right? So you have to take pictures in every plot so that it will cover that perimeter. So after doing all this, and then you have to hit the start. So after taking multiple photographs, I have come to the same location where I started. So now you can set the speed, how speed your drone want to be while shooting the video, and what should be the end result if it finishes taking the video, whether it should come to the original point or it should stay there or it should land. You can do all the settings. After selecting all the things, you can hit the start. So I would suggest you to adjust the speed based on how much fast you want. I have set a quite good speed, like 14 kilometers per hour. In that speed only it will cover the video, right? It will slowly shoot the videos like this. Yeah, as you can see, it is slowly shooting the videos and there is no manual control over here. I'm not controlling the drone at all. My hands are free. It is just following the path. It is just going along that direction, whatever it has said. So based on its coordinates, it is doing everything. And in the screen, you can see how much time it will take. So it is showing almost 4 minutes, right? So to complete this operation, it will take 4 minutes to complete this operation. In the meantime, you can pause or resume the operation. So it's all up to you how you want your operation to be. So after all this, it will come to the original location and you can land it and review the footage. One thing you can see is that it is showing 2x8, right? So that means it has covered 2 places out of 8 pictures it has taken, and now it is 3x8. And now I have fast forwarded the video, so it's not going too much fast. I have fast forwarded and it is even showing how much distance is covered, like 400 divided by 867. That much distance has been covered. So it's all showing data there only. You don't have to worry about it. It will slowly do its job, and it will come to its original location. And by the way, I did not record the video, right? Yeah, on the top right, it is in the photo mode. So switch on the video mode and start recording it. If you do not press the recording button, it will not record the video at all. So yeah, I forgot to tell you that one. And now I'll show you how the map looks like. So this is the path it has drawn. So, and H is the home point, and the, what is that arrow mark you are showing, that's where the drone is. So now the drone is there, and it will come to the home point. As you can see, the numbers are also there: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 places. So after reaching the 8th position, it will come to the home point automatically. Now the shooting has almost come to an end. Now it will come to its original location. As you can see, the blue color arrow mark, it's almost getting completed. Yeah, it is 7 out of 8, and then when it reaches the 8 out of 8, then the shooting is completed, and now the return to home begins. See, as you can see, the green color path what it has drawn, that is return to home. It will automatically come to that location and stay there, and now it's up to you whether you want to land it or whether you want to fly to another location or what.